Hi guys, thanks so much for watching. Today's video is on my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of May. Here's my box here. So I'm just gonna go through what I got. The theme of this month is Peace, Love, and Boxy here. And the first thing that I got is this Appeal holographic lip gloss. This is what it looks like. And it swatches just like nothing pretty much, like it's like clear, can't even see it really. It's a little bit holographic, I guess, and this retails for $21. I don't really see the point in a gloss that doesn't show up, so not too excited about this. Never heard of the brand. Next is these lashes from Lashaholic Lashes. They retail for $14.99. This is what they look like. So they look like nice lashes. They're ones that I could definitely wear, so that's okay. So I'm all right with that. Never heard of this brand either though. Luxie brush set. This is really pretty. It goes from pink to orange, and there's a large shader, a small shader, and a small contouring brush. So I love this. This retails for $28. So I'm excited about this. Beautiful brushes. I always need more brushes, and Luxie brushes are pretty good quality. So that's one good thing. And then the next is this Artist Couture highlight. This is in the color, let's see, Purple Dream it says. And it's a powder highlight. I'm not really too crazy about powder highlights. This retails for $27, but I just don't see myself using it. As you can see, it's kind of like a gold, it says it's Purple Dream, but I don't know if they labeled it wrong because it looks like it's like a gold color, and gold colors don't really go that well with my skin tone, maybe when I have a spray tan, but I just don't see myself using this. I already have so many highlights that I like, and I don't actually like powder ones because they're kind of messy. So I'll probably just give that away. And the next is this Pure the Complexion Authority Festival 12-piece eyeshadow set, and here's the colors on it. I'm actually going to keep it sealed and give it as a gift because I just have so many palettes that are like this, and the reviews that I saw, the pigmented shadow, like the glitter shadows, were kind of creasing in people's eyes and stuff, and I'm not trying to be mean, but I haven't tried a pure product that I really loved. Most of it is just kind of like meh quality that I'm not too excited about, so there's no point to even open it. I'm just going to give it as a gift. So this retails for $36. There's just lots of neutrals and then some purples in these two, which are people's reviews, and the glitter and stuff was creasing and getting kind of like wet and weird on their eyes. So I'm not too excited about that. This retails for $36. So that's everything that I received in my box, and as you guys can tell by my reviews as I go through every item, I'm not excited about really anything in this box. The only thing that I can see myself using is this brush set by Luxie. The rest is kind of like, I'm not gonna use this. I'll use these, but I'm not excited about it. The highlight I'm just going to give away, and this palette I'm just going to give away too. I think I know the perfect person to give these to for a gift. So that is it for those. I've been subscribed to Boxycharm for over a year, and I've had a lot of boxes that I really enjoyed. I'll link some of my other unboxings underneath, and I've gotten some items that I've really enjoyed and use all the time, like some really good finds that I've gotten. This lip product I've got from there too, and I really love it and wear it. So I've had a lot of good luck. I'm still going to stay subscribed to Boxycharm, and I also subscribed for the limited edition skincare box. But this month was just not a good box for me, but that's okay. I'm just going to keep things sealed and regift them to someone that would fit them better. But thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I have next month's unboxing coming for you, and also this limited edition skincare unboxing, and I'm also subscribed to FabFitFun. So if you like unboxing videos, consider subscribing. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day. I hope you guys liked this box more than I did and got better items. Comment down below if you're happy with it or not, but it's just not a box for me. And I'm kind of gotten to the place where instead of opening things I know I'm not going to use, I'd rather just regift them to someone that would love them. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.